Josephine Arma joins me from Manitoba Chicken. And what is this dish? It looks so good.
Yeah, so for today we're making our chicken tortellini bake, which is a super quick and easy meal to put together. It uses just one pot, which is great because you don't have to wash a lot of dishes, and it's perfect for any great night meal.
Okay, so what are our steps to put this together?
Perfect. So in this bowl here we have 2 chicken breasts that I've just cubed up and cooked with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we have our chicken tortellini in here. So what we're going to do, Terry, I'm going to get you to dump this into our larger bowl here.
You got it. So again, both of these already cooked, so then really when it goes in the oven, it's just probably a matter of warming, right?
That's right, it just comes all together. So here we have our cubed chicken, and I'm gonna get you to just add that in. And this comes together really fast.
I'm gonna ask you this, did you cube the chicken before you cooked it? Or
I
once
did,
it was done?
Okay. So this is a great time saver that you can do a day ahead or before you prep, so
it also means
easy.
If you're cooking it in the smaller pieces, it doesn't take as long to cook,
That's
right?
exactly
How did you cook it? Is this?
Yeah, so I just cooked it up on the stovetop with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper, and it came together really quick and easy.
Okay, and then once you do that, I mean, if you make up a big batch, then you can just kind of keep it around and then throw it into recipes like
That's
this,
exactly
right?
it.
Yeah, nice.
So next I'm gonna have you add some of our spaghetti sauce.
Okay.
So we're gonna leave about 1 cup into the container, so just add a little bit at a time.
Okay.
Perfect.
Like a half portion kind
Yes,
of?
that's
Yep.
perfect.
Got it.
And I'm gonna get you to just combine all of that together.
And let me ask you this, and I'm not calling you out, but you didn't even get fancy with that, did you? You opened a jar?
That's exactly it.
Yeah, see?
A great pantry staple item.
Time saver and everything.
So this is a great meal because instead of doing a lasagna, this is quite easy and easy to put together. So what we're going to be doing is layering with the tortellini, with the different cheeses, and it's going to be really easy and quick at the end.
Okay, all right.
Awesome.
So if we're layering, I'm not going to dump all of this in, right?
That's exactly right. So we're just going to put half of the amount into our dish.
It's heavy. I'm going to tip it, and you're going to yeah, do that.
Perfect. So we're going to add half of the amount into our dish.
Okay.
And then we're going to add our ricotta cheese. So we're going to add
here. Yeah.
half of that into our dish there.
Excellent.
Awesome.
All right.
And then
we're
we're
going to throw this together quickly because we don't want to run out of time, and we'll basically, we'll do this.
Awesome.
Half of it, yeah.
Perfect.
And some masa too, is that what I see in the other bowl?
Yes, so we're gonna grab that and add that.
I'm gonna use my fingers.
Awesome, yeah, just put it all in there.
Lovely, okay.
And then once it's done, you can just add the parsley, put it into the oven, and it's good to go.
So you just basically do a second layer of this, throw it in the oven like that. And as we said, because it's already cooked, it really just needs to warm, the cheese needs to melt.
Yep, put it in the oven for 350 for about 30 minutes, and you're good to go.
All right, if people want to find this actual recipe,
they can find it at manitobachicken.ca.
There you have it.
.ca